Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use crypto for purchases. First, you will need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrency. Next, ensure your chosen merchant accepts crypto payments, as not all do. Finally, you will authorize the transaction using your wallet, confirming the amount and recipient. It's a straightforward process once you understand the basic steps involved. To begin, choose a secure digital wallet, such as a mobile app or a hardware device, that supports the cryptocurrencies you plan to use. Once you have your wallet, you'll need to fund it. You can acquire crypto by buying it on a reputable exchange, like Coinbase or Binance, or by receiving it from another person. Always double-check the wallet address for accuracy. When you are ready to make a purchase, look for merchants displaying Pay with Crypto options. Many online retailers and some physical stores now accept various digital currencies. At checkout, you will typically scan a QR code provided by the merchant or manually enter their wallet address. Confirm the exact amount and the network fee before finalizing the transaction. For a smooth experience, always consider transaction fees, often called gas fees, which can range from a few cents to several dollars depending on the network. Also, keep an eye on the real-time exchange rates, as crypto values can change rapidly. Some platforms might offer instant conversions, but understanding the current rate is crucial for making informed decisions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.